I want
Robin,
one.
we've got exciting news. We hit our 100 order minimum.
Did we?
We did, but you know what? I've got a challenge for everybody. If we can get 200, Max wants to do a big donation to Parrot Rescue. What do you think,
We can
Max?
do it. We can make 200.
Let's do
Let's
200.
do 200.
200!
Donations for Parrot Rescue would be amazing. We
Yeah.
love helping out the bird community. And Max, you always help out your friends.
Absolutely. And why 200? Because that's when we've covered a lot of our costs in designing and manufacturing and everything else. And then we've got the ability at that point to make a big difference to the flock.
Well, I think because we've just hit 100, it's a great time to up that goal to 200. We can do it. I
Let's
know
do
we can
it.
do it. I know we can do it. Oh, hi. You're in orange. He's in purple. Is that your friend? Not sure yet.
I just love the fact that he's dual purpose.
I love that you can take that hoodie off and put it back on and it's reversible. That's fantastic. Where do you see the puppy? Where's the puppy? No puppy, just a Max. Just a mini Max.
Is it Mini Max? It's a Mini Max time.
Not as handsome as Big Max, but very close. Yeah.
There you go, Max. Yeah. What do you see? Who's that? Is he going to turn around and say hello?
Max?
Who's that, Max? Oh. Who've you got? Handsome like you, Max. Yes, so awesome.